Yo, are you an aspiring rapper or producer who wants to start making their own beats but doesn't know what they need? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to get that started. You'll notice that I do have a bird on my head. This is my friend Paco. It is Bring Your Bird to Work Day here at Noisegate, and he's going to be my co-host for this video, as Paco likes making beats as much as I do. Now, you will need a computer or MacBook, a MIDI controller, a microphone, an audio interface, and some way to listen back, be it headphones or studio monitors. Does that list sound good, Paco? Number one, the computer is the brain of the operation. That's where you record everything into, that's what you plug everything into, and that's where you install the software that allows you to start recording. I use Ableton Live, but there are plenty out there on the market, so just make sure you find the one that's right for you. Number two, the MIDI controller. This allows you to intuitively map out your beats, tap out your beats, and it's a lot easier and a lot more enjoyable than just writing them out using a keyboard and mouse. That's right, Paco, I am using a Machine Mark III. This is one of my favorite bits of kit. It's the heart of my studio, and it allows me to make beats really quickly. I'll show you how I do it. Shall we get started on a beat here, my dude? Put you down here. So all I want to do is hit record, hit play. Now, this is the thing I really like about the machine, is how quickly you can just whip things up. What do you reckon, Paco? Should we add some hi-hat? Yeah, I reckon. And just like that, I have a beat. That took me no more than, 60 seconds, and I've already laid down the foundation of a new song. I can then throw that into Ableton Live, and I can start working on that, massaging it out, and adding elements as I see fit. What do you reckon, Paco? Did you like that one? I reckon that was a pretty good beat. Not my best work, but not bad for a real quick fix, eh? Now that we have the beat down, we need to record the voice, and that's where the microphone comes in. This is a condenser microphone. It's an AKG P120. I would suggest using a condenser because they have far more nuance and detail in the recording compared to, say, your normal handheld dynamic microphone. This is really important because when you're recording hip hop, the voice is the most important element besides the beat. What's that, Paco? How do you get audio in and out of the computer? I'll tell you, my little buddy. This is where the audio interface comes in. An audio interface allows you to get audio in and out of computer at a professional level, and that's what you plug the microphone into. The one in here is a Universal Audio Vault 4. And finally, the headphones or studio monitors. You'll need these to listen back to what you've recorded and listen to the beats that you're making. And I would suggest, if you are just getting started out and doing this out of your bedroom, grab yourself a set of headphones first. These are the AKG K371s. I absolutely love them. They're my favorite set of headphones. Paco loves them because they taste great when he chews on them. We both agree, highly recommend K371s. And if your budget and room can accommodate it, I suggest getting a set of monitors as well, such as these JBL 3 Series. So there are all the necessities you need to start making your own beats. What's up, Paco? You're right. Thanks for the reminder, buddy. You also need all the cables to plug everything in. Chuck any questions you might have in the comment section below, and let me know if you think Paco should join me again in my next video. Catch you next time.